Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add a Chipotle gift card to your Apple Wallet. Now make sure that your gift card is compatible, okay? Then you just go ahead and tap on the Apple Wallet on your iPhone, iPad, right? You can even do this on your Apple Watch. And then finally click on the plus icon at the top right corner of the screen. And then you'll see the different types of cards that will appear on your screen. So you want to select the option that basically allows you to add a gift card from the options that will be displayed. And then you just need to scan your gift card barcode. Okay, if you basically have a physical card, or you can also enter its details manually through the enter code manually option. And after you capture, or just enter the card details, the wallet app will basically verify the information and add the gift card to your Apple Wallet library. It's really that easy and simple. So I hope this guide provided value to you, and if it did, consider smashing the like button, as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions, and I'll see you guys in the next one.